neonatal sepsis remains a major killer of newborn infants in Africa. And in fact, the newborn period or first 28 days of life is the most critical and dangerous period in a baby's life. So in a now widely acclaimed research article called the Graham Study, it was shown that the burden of antimicrobial resistance and mortality or deaths from sepsis, the most highly affected population globally is neonates or newborns. But surprisingly, very few clinical trials are conducted in newborns, given the many challenges in doing clinical research in this population. And so studying new antibiotics and old antibiotics in whom data is limited is absolutely critical to inform the correct dosing to give the best possible outcomes for neonates affected by sepsis. Through SNP-AFRICA, we hope to conduct clinical trials, both for old as well as new antibiotic agents, which are essential to combat ever-increasing rates of antimicrobial resistance in hospitalized newborns.
One of the exciting drugs that we will be studying is colistin, which is actually quite an old antibiotic that's not commonly being used, but it's one of the reserve antibiotics that's still effective against very drug-resistant organisms. Colistin is one of these drugs that we have available and that is currently being used, but without a lot of evidence related to the dosing. So we are hoping that within SNP-AFRICA, we can generate some more data for colistin to really help and effectively treat babies with gram-negative sepsis who have no other options available to them.